So I ordered my first Amazon wig, and baby, it's given. It's a moment of silence. So this says 30s install wear and go wig. I have never worn a wig before, so it's glueless, but I did get it glued down because I've never worn one, so I didn't really know what I was doing. But it feels amazing. Like, I've worn wigs, I've done sew-ins before, but not often because my hair is pretty long, but it's not this long. So I want it to be longer, and my hair is already curly, but I want it curly long hair. And that's what I got. I only paid like a little over 100. No, it might be like in the mid 156. I don't remember how much it was, but it was under $200. And when I got my hairdresser to install it, she said this was a really good wig. So to be able to get that, I feel like it was worth the money. So I'm gonna link it